I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This is Glory Capital and I'm glad you found this video. And in this video I'll be showing you all how to get a 100% deposit bonus, right? This is a 100% deposit bonus. That's to show you that if you have $50 in this account, you will be getting a $100, and if you're having $100, you will be able to get $200, which is amazing. I'm bringing this account to you guys so that you guys can get this account and start trading the live market in 2026. This is an incredible account, and I will be explaining all the details regarding getting this account in this video, and you'll be finding a link in the description of this video, and the link would also be in the pinned comment, so you can use any of this link and you'll be directed to where you'll be signing up to get this amazing account. But I would love you to pay attention as I explain some of these details that will guide you properly on this aspect. And this is what you'll be having immediately you deposit into this account, and after this deposit you'll be getting a 100% bonus on this $100. If you are depositing $100, even if it's $20 you are depositing, you'll be getting a 100% deposit, and you'll be getting a $40 from this $20 which you deposit. That is an example, right? As you could see, from the $100, then you will be getting a $200. I have deposited the $100 and I was able to get $200, and this $200 you'll be able to trade with it and withdraw all your profit, right? You just have to trade with it and withdraw all your profit made from this account, which is an amazing account, right? And you could see this is the $200 on the screen, right? You could see the before and after of this account, but immediately you deposited into this account, right, you'll be getting it instantly. This is just an example to show you that this is not just any account but a real account that you can start trading with instantly. And one amazing part of this broker is their spread is unmatchable. It's very different from other broker spread, right? This is one of the most reputable broker I've seen so far, and I've been able to trade with them and make profit and even make withdrawal from this same broker. That's why I would love you guys to pay attention so you guys can get this account detailedly, right? And I'll be able to open trades with this account because I just deposited into this account and I've been able to get the $200 account, right? You could see it. I've been able to get my $200 showing on the screen. So I'll be opening the XAUUSD trade just to show you that this is not just any account but a real account, and there are no hidden rules or back end details that could breach your account. This is a reliable broker. It's a well reputable broker, right? So I'll be opening a sell position, replacing my take profit and my stop loss respectively, and I'll be showing you the after effects of this trade as it goes, right? In space of 5 to 6 minutes I was able to hit my take profit, and then I'm out of the market. I'll be showing you before and after of this trade result, right? As you can see on the screen, this is the running trade on the screen, and then you come here to place your take profit and your stop loss, and you can either trade this account using your MT5 or your MT4, but more importantly you'll be trading this kind of account using your MT5 account, right? You'll be able to trade this 100% deposit bonus using your MT5 account, which is very amazing, right? Coming from a 100% deposit bonus, right, which is going to give you a far edge on this aspect. So let's go through the process of signing up on this account. You could see trade more with a 100% bonus, right? As I told you, I'll be guiding you guys through this process. So firstly, you'll be clicking on start trading, right? You could see the start trading showing on the screen, so you'll be clicking on the start trading, and once you click on the start trading, I'll be guiding you through this brief aspect so you guys just know the brief deal and then go through the remaining process all through by yourself, because you guys will be able to go through this process to sign up. So firstly, you'll be coming in and then you'll be selecting the country where you are residing, your email address and your password, right? You'll be filling all these details respectively. Once these details are filled respectively, then you will be prompted to register for an account. Because I already have an account, that's why I won't be able to go through this process on the screen, right? Because I already have an idea, and immediately you sign up and then you download the app, you'll be brought to this particular interface. As you could see the more interface, you could see the market, the trade, the explore and other details. So this aspect, you'll be clicking on the, you see the reward section showing the bonuses. You'll be coming to the bonuses section in particular, right? And once you come to the bonuses section, it is here that you'll be getting this 100% bonus if it is not credited into your account automatically. But in most cases it will be credited, but if it's not credited, you'll be coming to this bonuses section under the reward, and once you click on it, you'll be seeing claim 100% bonus, right? Once you click on claim 100% bonus, you'll be getting this bonus instantly, right? So as I told you guys, I'll be showing you the after effect of the trade which I placed. As you could see, after placing this trade with 0.01 lot size, I'm now on a profit of 213, right? And you could see with the cent at the back. This is how you really need to know about getting this account. And if you know you are seeing my channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video with other traders, because I'll be teaching you guys how to trade the live market in details on this my channel, and I'll be bringing various updates and useful information to you all regularly on this Glory Capital channel. I hope you guys have a lovely and wonderful trading day.